Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Have you ever wondered if you can change your Clash of Clans region? It's a common question, especially for players looking for unique in-game offers, or perhaps to connect with specific local communities. While there isn't a simple button within the game itself, understanding how regions are truly determined can help you explore some potential options. We'll guide you through the effective methods available for 2025, so stick around. First, let's clarify how Clash of Clans handles regions. Your game experience, including specific offers and even who you're matched with, is largely tied to your device's IP address. Additionally, your App Store or Google Play Store account region plays a big role in the localized content and pricing you see. It's important to understand there isn't actually an option within the Clash of Clans app itself to directly change your server region. The most common way to simulate a region change is by using a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN effectively masks your real IP address, making it appear as if you're browsing from another country. To use it, simply choose a reputable VPN service, connect to a server in your desired region, and then launch Clash of Clans. This method can sometimes influence the in-game offers you see, but remember, it might also introduce a bit of network latency. Another approach involves changing the region associated with your main App Store account. This applies to both Google Play and the Apple App Store. By updating your store's country, you can access region-specific versions of apps and potentially see different in-game offers for Clash of Clans. Just be aware, this change impacts all your apps and billing information, so proceed with a bit of caution. To recap, using a VPN provides a temporary way to experience Clash of Clans from a different virtual location. If your goal is to access unique in-game offers more permanently, then changing your App Store region is the path to explore. Always weigh the benefits against potential issues like increased game latency or broader account implications. Choose the method that best suits your needs and enjoy playing Clash of Clans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.